I find it heartbreaking that America, which is supposed to be the largest and most powerful Christian country, right? You will get more respect for George Floyd than Jesus Christ. I find it heartbreaking that you can mock Jesus in the open.
Yeah.
I find it, yeah, free speech, blah, blah, blah. There's free speech, but no, I don't think you should be walking around insulting the God of the country you live in. You can't do that in an Islamic country. You can't do that in nearly any religion's country. Only in these first world Christian nations are they going to allow their prophets to be mocked and say, well, no, oops. They'll put up satanic statues in churches.
Yeah,
they did
that's
this.
fine.
And the guy, a Christian, destroyed the statue. He got charged.
Yeah.
He got charged.
Andrew, it's happening every day in America. You could tell you, God forbid you say something against a transsexual.
Oh yeah. That's the real religion.
Absolutely. But talk about Jesus, talk about God, nobody cares.
That's right. The real religion is LGBT. You can't